Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dr. Praise and Beats. Alafia. Angeli Mionisun. Eriwoya Oguwata. Lọ́la kó bá yà kú Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Lọ́la kó bá yà kú Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé ajẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn olórí bá bọ́ sóhun mi lòjọ́ dìgbọ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Alawalu, alakiru, asohiru, abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dá. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlọ́ ní.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are watching me today. My name is Dr. Mutiu Olatiboye, also known as Baba Wenje. And if this is your first time here, please consider subscribing to my channel and make sure you turn on the notification bell. And whenever I upload video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. And if you need more of my videos, you are free to go back to my previous video. You see a lot of videos that can help your spiritual life. So today I want to explain how to use these materials you are seeing in front of me. The first one is a new knife, while the second one is a scissors. How to use these two to remove evil eyes. If you always have a bad dreams and you don't want the bad dreams to happen in your life, or someone give you a bad message, that maybe one of your friends called you that he or she have a dream about you, and you know that this dream is not good. Help me to look for scissors and a new knife. So what are you going to do with scissors and this new knife? Are you with me? So you are going to remove the odor of this of the knife. Are you with me? You are going to remove this rubber, or if it is wood, you remove it. I think you are with me. So you will add 1 spoon of sea salt in the water. This sea salt, this one, this is salt. You will add 1 spoon of this sea salt in water. Water, you know that you can use this water to bathe every part of your body in the night before you sleep. Are you with me? So this knife, you place it on the fire. You place this knife on the fire and you allow this knife to red, to hot. So when the knife is well hot and red, then remove it and put this knife in that sea salt water. So immediately you put this knife in that water, it will make some sound. So you begin to say whatever thing you want to remove every spiritual mark in your body, to remove bad dream from your life, evil eyes from your life. So after your prayer, take the water to your bedroom. Then allow the knife to cool. Then you remove it and you place it on the floor in your bedroom. Step on it and use that water to wash every part of your body. You can use soap. You can use chemical soap. You can use spiritual soap. But make sure that you use enough of water. If you want, you can share the water with your family. Are you with me? So one thing is that when you are using this water to bath and you want to wash your leg, you can remove your leg from that knife so that the knife will not injure you. Are you with me? So you bathe this water while standing on this knife. By the grace of Almighty God, if anyone keep something spiritually in your body and refuse to remove it by himself, the person is going to suffer it. Are you with me? You may ask me a question that what if that person is no more? You know those bad people, evil people, whenever they want to die, they will never go with that bad thing. They will drop it for someone and that person is going to suffer it. It's very simple and very, very effective when you follow the instruction. I think you can see it, sea salt and knife. And you must repeat that process for 3 days continuously in the night before you sleep. My brother and my sister, don't joke with this. It's very simple, right? I know it's very simple, but do not joke with it. Follow my instruction to get a positive result, and please apply your faith because your faith is highly needed. So those are the materials you need: new knife and sea salt. There's nothing you can use to replace this sea salt. Please, Baba, I can't find sea salt here. Can I use ordinary salt? No. Sea salt is sea salt. So that is what you are going to do. Please, if you love this video, help me to like this video. As you like this video, may Almighty God bless you and bless your family. Thank you very much. Ẹ̀rí tí mo bá sọ ní òní ni bí a ṣe ń lo sea salt àti ọ̀bẹ tuntun, olókun àti ọ̀bẹ tuntun. Tí ẹ bá máa ń lá àlákàlà tàbí wọ́n ń jíṣẹ́ fún ẹ gbogbo ìgbà tàbí ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ̀ kan sọ fún ẹ ó lálàá kan sí ẹ, ó wá fẹ́ jẹ́ kí nǹkan burúkú ṣe mẹ́ ẹ lá, lọ bá mi wá sea salt yìí àti ọ̀bẹ tuntun. Ẹ yọ ìkù ìdí ọ̀bẹ ìdánù. Ẹ wá bu síbí kan nínú sea salt yìí sínú omi tó bá tó yín wẹ̀. Tẹ́ bá ti bu síbí kan sí, ẹ fi ọ̀bẹ sórí iná kó pọ́n lálẹ́ ni o. Tọ́bẹ̀ bá ti pọ́n dáadáa, ẹ wá yọ, ẹ fi nǹkan yọ, ẹ jù sínú omi yẹn. Bẹ́ẹ̀ bá ti jù sínú omi, tó bá ti lè dòṣì, ẹ ṣàdúrà lórí gbogbo aburú tí wọ́n ń rò sí tàbí èyí tí wọ́n ti fi sí ńlá tàbí èyí náà tẹ́ fọwọ́ ara yín fà, ẹ ṣàdúrà. Tẹ́ bá ti wá ṣe àdúrà ìtàn dáadáa, ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi, ẹ gbé mi wọnú bedroom. Ǹjẹ́ ti gbé wọ bẹ̀? Ẹ wá yọ ọ̀bẹ yẹn nígbà tó bá ti tutù. Tẹ́ bá ti yọ, ẹ fi ọ̀bẹ sílẹ̀ lẹ̀, ẹ wá gun orí ẹ̀, ẹ gbẹ́sẹ̀ lé mọ́lẹ̀ pẹlẹbẹ, gbé mọ́lẹ̀, ẹ wá wẹ gbogbo omi yìí lé orí ọ̀bẹ pátá. Ẹ ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ fọjọ́ 3 o. Gbogbo ẹnikẹ́ni, èèyàn kéèyàn tó ń rán àlá burúkú sí yín, tí wọ́n gbìmọ̀ràn ọ̀tẹ̀ lórí yín, tí wọ́n ní báwo lẹ ṣe fẹ́ gbégbà, Ọlọ́run dá sẹ́ríà fún wọn ni o. Àmọ́ ẹnikẹ́ni nínú wọn tí ò bá wá mú aburú tó fi sí lára ń bẹ̀, ẹ mọ̀ bọ́bẹ̀ ṣe ń ṣèyàn bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ bí ó ṣe ṣe wọn. Wọ́n rán mi ojú bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Èmi náà lọmọ yín, àbúrò yín, olólùfẹ́ yín, Dr. Mutiu Ọlátìbóyè. Tọ́ ó dàbọ̀.
Lọ́la kó bá yà kú Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Lọ́la kó bá yà kú Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé ajẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn olórí dábọ̀ sóhun mi ló jọ dìbò. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé. La ilaha illallah. Alawalu, alakiru, asọhiru, abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dá. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. ìwọ ṣàlùní kọ́kọ́rọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀mí nìyẹn. fásikúrò ni wọ́n síkúrò ni wọ́n nínú ìsìnkú. kó fàyà kùn rẹ̀ láfi ń ṣe tiwa. ewé jẹ́ òbẹ̀ èyí tó dá fún wa ládẹ̀ gbójúlé èyí tó ní ká ló ládẹ̀ ń lò. ọba ńlá ń dákun máa jẹ́ ká ṣiṣẹ́ ọba tó rí gbogbo ẹ̀dá ta orí ìwọ lọ́ba tá ń gbàṣẹ lọ́dọ̀ rẹ̀ à ń bẹ̀ ọ́ à ń bẹ̀ ọ́.